Hi, lovelies. Welcome to Maggie's Home Cooking. My friend came around and it's her birthday, and I decided to treat her to one of my special juice recipes. I call it the WCC juice. It's made of watermelon, celeries, and cucumbers. I have my fruits well chopped. My watermelon is frozen because I want it to be really chilled. My cucumber is well chopped and my celery, so I'll just put them into my juicer. I'll be using my Nutribullet Masticating juicer for this, but if you have any other juicer, you're free to use. If you don't even have a juicer, just go ahead to blend it and sieve it. My WCC juice is ready. I got almost half a liter from the few veggies that I had. Tell me, lovelies, would you be trying this? I assure you, you would love this one. It's really nice and flavorful. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.